Ayan. Medyo malapit yung height. Okay. Kids, nakikita mo ba lang at may back? More prizes will be given away, kids. But before that, you have to join the games. Ayan, sasali kayo sa games. Okay? For my first game, all kids, I want you to form a giant circle. Go! Ayan, pwede sumali sa
Oh, kids!
Form a one big circle. Form a one big circle. Then move hands together. Go! Ayan, one big circle.
Henry!
Ayan, one big circle. Okay, go. How about the kids at the back? No more kids. Dito sa side. Everybody, okay. Okay, kids. Game na ba kayo?
Game na!
Nanonood sila ng TV ha. Game na ba kayo?
Game na!
Say happy birthday, Katrina!
Happy birthday, Katrina!
Mas malakas!
Happy birthday, Katrina!
Pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Katrina!
Pinakamahina! Wala, akala mo ha, malakas ulit ha. Okay, game. Do you know the game the boat is sinking? Who knows the game the boat is sinking? Raise your hand. Sino? Wow, everybody knows the game the boat is sinking. Okay, explain ni Ate Mitch kids ha. Kids, do you know how to add and how to subtract? Okay, kaya apply natin yung sa game. Okay, ganito yan. When I say the boat, imagine we're in the middle of the sea. Okay, and then the captain says, I am the captain. When I say the boat is sinking, group yourself into two. What will you do? Okay, you will group yourself into two. Ayan. Ay, sige. Okay, and then the remaining kid without a group or without a partner will be out of the game, will be eliminated. So kids, you have to listen carefully. Okay, go. So ready ha? Form a one big circle. Okay, very good. Kenny Rogers says, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into two plus two. What is two plus two? Two plus two. Two plus two equals. Okay, what is two plus two? Four. Practice pa lang yun. Practice pa lang yung sabihin mo. Ayan na, okay, sabihin na. Wala na practice. Kenny Rogers says, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what is 5 minus 4, Noreen? 1. 1. Okay, talaga kami naman si Noreen. Ayan, ang magaling. Magaling pala kami mag-add sa picture. Okay.